What's going on, everybody? Kostas is here. I actually got the studio all finished out, built up. I have some awesome 36-inch monitors to do all my video editing. I can also do all my emails and all my business stuff for the restaurant here. And really cool, I just got my camera set up on Wi-Fi so I can see what's going on here. I wanted to start off with the first piece of mail being a package from my uncle in Greece. And I just got this a few days ago. I've been waiting to do this with you guys, and we're here, got it all set up. Really cool Greek package here. So I found this little small pocket knife. Let's get it opened up. Alright. So I am Greek, well, my dad's Greek, and I'm here from Texas. Ironically, my uncle is like the last of our family. He didn't have any kids. My aunt did not have any kids. So he's the only one over there in Greece, ironically. Now all the Lozana's family lives here in Texas. That I have 2 children, and my sister has some kids too. So let's see. Gosh, this thing is like tight. Must be something fragile in here. I have no idea what's in here, by the way. So we're gonna find out together. Good thing I got this little knife here. Oh no, it got a little damaged. Can't really tell, but it's a manger scene. Makes little noises here. Let's see if I can fix that. Let's see what else we have. He got me an apple core. That's what the box is. Let's see what's inside to make sure that's what it is. Yep, a Greek apple core. So this was probably made in America, brought to Greece, probably in the 80s or something, and he found it, and he brought this to me. Thank you, Yanni. Thank you. I will definitely have to use this now. So pretty cool. Actually, it's so funny because you probably can't find something like this in America anymore. Even though this was probably built in America, it's just probably sitting on a shelf for the past 20 years. But now, if you try to buy one of these, it's gonna be made out of plastic everywhere. So this is like metal throughout. So really cool. Thank you. And let's see what else we have. All right, this is a book called Grape, and this is all about, actually written in English, all about the different grapes, different wines throughout Greece. That's pretty cool, huh? Different regions of Greece. Greece actually, by the way, if you don't know, Greece actually produces some top quality wines, and they've really, in the past 20 years, have really put a lot of energy and effort into producing fantastic wines. So, and of course, my uncle is very, very big into the Greek Orthodox Church, as everyone else is, and of course a Greek Orthodox icon, which is really important in the Greek Orthodox religions. For those of you who are not Greek Orthodox, we have these icons that we use to help us think about saints and stuff like that. So this one is Holy Mary, Maria. Well, thank you, Theo Yanni. If you're watching, I know you are from Greece. Thank you so much for the packages. Really cool. Super excited to have these, and we'll definitely put them all to great use. I'll get this fixed. It just came a little bit apart, but I think that's an easy fix. Yeah, you can see that's the wise men and the shepherds and stuff, and then here's the manger with little baby Jesus. Really cool. Well, thanks again. Hey, our first mail time, and just wanted to bring you guys along. I know we did the computer unboxing, but I thought this was really cool because this is an actual package from Greece and from my uncle, which I probably get one of these a year. I'm glad I was able to share this moment with you guys. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you guys soon.